just trying to focus the camera. Okay. All right, so this is just going to be an example of a single replacement reaction. I have a piece of copper wire here in this petri dish, and I'm going to add to it some silver nitrate. And the silver and the copper, so the silver and the silver nitrate and the copper and the wire are going to start switching places. You can notice here that the wire is getting darker. That's actually the silver forming on it, and you can see now it's kind of turning that grayish color. That grayish color again is the silver. It's actually the silver is growing on the copper wire um, as little crystals. And as we sit here longer and longer, um, it will get bigger and bigger. So I'm actually going to pause the video for a second and let it just kind of go, and then we'll come back and check to see how it's doing. Okay, here's our first check back in. You can see it's getting a little bit bigger, and you can see that that silver is shiny there. It looked just kind of gray before, but now you're starting to see some of the shine of the silver. Again, I'm going to just let it to sit there. This has only been like a minute or so. I'm going to pause it again and give it like 10 minutes to see how much it can grow in that time. Okay, we're back to this, and you can just see those silver shards that are growing on this. And I could continue to let this sit here, and it will grow until there's no more silver in the solution. And then it will eventually stop. But again, this is an example of a single replacement reaction. The copper in the wire that's by itself is replacing the silver in the silver nitrate solution, producing solid silver on the wire.